how it's in there. These washers here, see, it's just basically one of these and one of these. And all you have to do is just pull this out, like so, and then push out this. I'm doing it one-handed, so I can't. Alright, it's kind of a mess right now, but I got all the connections in. Back to, I got that. I took the ground wires, I stripped them extra long, I twisted them together, and I loosened this nut, and wrapped them around, and tightened them back down. The resistors are in, all the clips are in, everything's, I taped all my soldered connections. Make sure you do that, otherwise you're going to ground out and you will not have it work. Let's go ahead and shake it out. There's the tail light. And, let's see, show you the brake light. There's the brake light, blind you. There's a turn signal. Left, right. Alright, I guess that's it. Just put it back together. I don't think you need instructions on how to do that. And hope this helps. Alright, there it is. She's done. Just in case you're wondering how I got the license plate back on, because I did not opt for the Thunder Eliminator kit. All I did is, I don't know if you can see it, I just took some wire and shoved it up in there and twist-tied it, and actually starting. So, there it is.